siya. May dala ko siya harap. So now I'm here in Lesbo Hotel. I'm at this for today. This is a Portuguese school, guys, and then this is a Lesbo Hotel. Usually here in Macau we have a bus, shuttle bus. It's a free. Just from the you going to the what you see. If this is in Taipa, going to Taipa. It's easy, no traffic. If you want to make it fast, so use instead bus. It's better this shuttle bus going to Taipa. Hi Peter, already here. Coming from Peter. Where are you? What? Watching us now, Maria. My friend, the son of my friend is here already, so I will guide for him. I will make it tour. By the way, the hotel in wait, I forgot. Just wait, Peter. I just wait. Don't leave. Don't. I can guess, Maria. Where are you traveling now? Peter. I can guess. I'm going to Treasure Hotel in Taipa. I can guess. Just waiting for the bus. Let's go. Filipino? Papunta ba ito sa ano? Treasure Hotel? Pero malapit yung doon sa ano daw? Sa airport? Treasure. Kala ko ito treasure. Hindi naman yan eh. Sa ano daw yun, malapit sa airport.
Kailangan nyo po mag-transfer papuntang airport na.
Ayun. Pero okay na to, malapit na to. Okay, thank you.
有隻係坐都冇用呢個卡。
How are you today, Peter? Did you have a coffee right now? Coffee time for you, Peter. I meet up the son of my friend, Peter, because he is here for 3 days. But tomorrow I have a work. So I'm free day today, so I will pick up him in the Treasure Hotel. I thought that is a treasure. I saw Treasure Island. It's not that one. He said right now we in airport. So we will see. I can guess. Oh, who's your guess, Peter? No worry. I'm not meet up to anybody. Just only with the son of my daughter, my friend, my best friend. Her son. So waiting for the shuttle bus. It's better this, no traffic, no stop, and direct to the hotel. Peter, how's my audio, Peter? Loud and clear. Can you please say something if my audio or my signal is better? There's a lot of tourists here. Peter, you can hear me. Coffee I got, dinner is cooking. Oh, what time is it? It's 5. 5 in, wait, I'll check. 5, what time is it now? 5:22? Right? 2 hours different. It's so hot here, Peter. Real. Wow, you like the audio is low. Video it's okay, except with the proper. Oh, yeah. Lately, yes. Because I checked what name the hotel. So it's low. How about now? It's low? Still low? Peter? Hey, too many people in the house. Don't forget to like and share. Give me a like. Hit a like. Signal is fine, just low audio. I just already the audio. Fine, just low. Oh, still low. I'm not sure, but I already adjust. Peter. Thank you for staying. Yeah, I'm using the headphone. Still waiting. Need better microphone. No, the new one, not the headset. The headphone. Earphone, not earphone. I'm using the earphone. Earphone. Oh, shit, what? Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and share. Hit the like. Using the job. Lots of background noise from yes. That's why the audio is very low.
可以往里排一点，往里排一点。老板还有什么？
Yes, there's a lot. As you can see, so many people lining. This is a shuttle bus going to Grand Macau. Oh my god, my pants is so wet. It's because so hot. Altitude. Thank you guys. Bibili ko ng apps. Thank you so much. It's been a long time waiting for the bus. Thank you for giving a thumbs up, guys. Hi, Kuya Bob. It's not 10 by 10. Oh, what time is it now, Kuya Bob? Bedtime? Hey, Bruce. Make a love shout out. Hi, Maria, Peter, everyone. Hi, Bob. Come from Bruce. It's been long time, Bruce. Good to see you. Hey, Bob. Come from Macau. How's everything, Bruce? Thank you for dropping by, guys. Don't forget to like and share. Please hit the like. Give me a 20 like, guys, please. Oh, she's still alive. Come from Peter. Where are you right now, Bruce? Are you in the Philippines? Yes, it's been a while. Yes, I am in the Philippines enjoying. Oh, good to see. Good for you, Bruce. Together with your wife, right?
要去到雲港碼頭，你落下當天係佢要去到碼頭夠鐘先去亞實，時間會比較耐啊。
How's your wife, Bruce? Oh yeah.
上途機頭就係。
Thank you sa 8 million, 6 million people in the house. Make a love shout out.
小心低級啊！上途機
Still not yet. I thought it's already. $6 million. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and share. I'm here already. Hey, Captain Billy Jeff, mega love shout out guys. 6 people in the chat. Please don't forget to hit the like. Hey, Peter. That's why you need to sleep with one eye open, Bruce. Crazy Pinay. Hello, Maria. Hello, Captain Billy Jack. Hi, Peter. Coming from Captain Billy Jack. Hey, Bob. Hey, Billy. Coming from Peter. Guys, please give a thumbs up. Please hit the like and share. Hey, Billy. Hey, Billy. Coming from Bruce. I'm going somewhere, guys. Going to Taiwan. Meet up someone. Hey, Billy. Come from Bruce. Laughing. So many people. Yes, this is a shuttle bus time. Hey, Bruce. See the live stream. My picture. Did you? Why are you saying? Guys, please yourself. Shame for yourself. Did one you? Like and share, guys, please. Hit a like. How's everybody? How are you today, Billy? Kuya Baba, how are you today? Bruce, how are you today? Peter. Guys, don't be shame. Hit the like. Maria, is that a job fair? No, it's Lesboa Hotel. No, this is a hotel, Lesboa. As you can see, it's hotel. Lesboa Hotel. I ride a shuttle bus going to Calma. No, that is a hotel, Lesboa. Hotel and casino, Lesbo. Kuya Bob, give your thumbs up please. Peter, give me 20 thumbs up. It's not a job fair, no. It's hotel. Lesbo Hotel. Oh, really? My HP did that? Wait, I cannot see. Wait, guys. Well, it's okay. I've even helped out HP, so don't care if they are talk about that. You know that I'm good and I've been real honest to all my friends coming from Bruce. That is very important, guys. You don't need to be pretend, or you don't need to be a hypocrite usually to your friend or to other people, right? As long you know yourself, that's the problem. Billy, where are you right now? Yes. Why you be a lie? Or you making a story? I'll check my phone because I cannot read on the chat. It's so very small. Thank you guys for this support and liking here. Liking here. Share. I'll show you guys. I will show you here in the right now I'm here in Macau. I know there are two sides of every story. Not like I will care either way. But if what he said is true, hope your wife don't find out. Come from Billy. Who's that, Peter? Who's that, Mike? Page. Did I know that? Page view. Okay, come from Billy. Peter, matagal pa po kayo. I'm coming now for that reason. This is a screw. Everything look at me before I met my BG. Who's BG? Just wait. I need to answer this, please. Jake, girlfriend. Okay. For that, okay, I just for that reason is screw. Okay, just wait. I need to answer this my meetup. The son of my friend. Nakapal po pa tayo sa London's ng subscribe na niya. Oo. Yes, no problem.
Fasten your seatbelt while the bus is in motion. Eating or drinking is not allowed on the bus. Thank you for your cooperation. We wish you a pleasant journey.
Sorry, I can't read. Okay, I will read. Okay, I know there are two sides to every story. Not like I really care either way, but if what he said is true, I hope your wife don't find out. Confirm really. For that reason is true. Everything that you at me before I meet my girlfriend. Okay, no, Maria is fighting herself not going to decide that story. Okay, really, you know that when it's too much to go on camera in the Philippines, the bullshit start. Come from Peter, I just saw a page potion and shoes on Maria and 70% of Maria. Oh no, coming from Billy. Okay guys, continue. So as you can see, how's the camera, or everything is good? Peter, Billy.
前方的穿梭巴士服务，驾驶经经畅游路上，代表各大景点，发达的交通网络，加装美快乐上手机，搭配快捷，让每一刻都充满惊喜。
Share and like cannot fool you when her volume shift. I'm good too. She's not in Cebu. I'm good too. She's not in Cebu. Oh, really? Who's in Cebu right now? Sorry guys, I cannot live my voice because I'm here in the bus. There's so many people in here, so make it slow the voice, okay? Who's in the Cebu? Really? How are you doing right now, Kim? I'm very, very fine. I'm not tourist today. I'm not looking a job. Tomorrow I have a part-time, so I need to relax and meet up. I have a meet up the son of my friend. As you can see guys, it's so hot. Really, really hot. I don't know what's going on. I opened my mic actually. Wait, I think I need to turn off my headphone. Just wait. Just 1 minute. I turned off already the volume. 7, Billy, how's the audio right now? It's good quality and better. Oh my, not, she's back. Who's she talking to that? Who's she talking to that? Who's she talking? By the way, now it's better, right? Peter, how's my audio? Just wait. I think I need to go first in the bathroom. Peter, how's my signal? How's my audio? Guys, sorry ah. I need to pee. I need to put my camera at my inside my bag. Okay, guys? Just wait. I need to go pee. Okay? Yes, I can hear you now. Okay, you can hear me now. Just wait. This is the hall. The hall. Where's the toilet? I need to go to the toilet. Oh my God. So cold. Wait. Where's the toilet? Comfort room. I need to go to comfort room first. Just wait. Looking. I mute Peter because we have a sounds. You know. Wait. I need to look in the toilet. My gulay. Yeah. So just check where's the toilet. Comfort room. Where are you? Sky. More. I need to go. Where's the toilet? Oh my God. Please mute. Parking is not good. I'm not parking. Just looking the toilet. I need to pee. I need to go to pee. Oh my God, it's so big. Where's the toilet? I mute Peter, okay? I'm okay now, Peter. Please milk. Parting is not good. I'm parting. I'm going to shuttle bus. Going to Londoners. Eating now. Okay, Peter, enjoy your food. I'm going to Londoners. I'm here already. We'll see where I'm going. Where's 7 ways? Why did you type on the chat? 7 ways? Where are you? Where are you? I'm going now. I'm going now. Apina Londoners. At the back? We have a bus? Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm going to Londoners at the back side. No money, Peter. No money for buying shoes. Bring umbrella. Bring umbrella. No money for buying shoes, Peter. I need to find a job first before. No, I'm not. I'm not by the way, Peter. I'm looking a new job. This is City of Dreams. I'm so walk. Three people in the chat. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'm going there and then transfer back. It's okay. I just wearing a top. I forgot to bring umbrella. No umbrella. Weather's so hot. But it's better like this, guys. Usually if you are tourist, you cannot go wherever you want because it's not easy. So mostly all tourists using by a shuttle bus. Oh my, so hot. As you can see, guys. I forgot to bring umbrella. This is the problem. You are lazy to bring umbrella. Walking from this hot weather, but it's okay. because I cannot. Normally I'm not going out early in the morning. Wind Palace. So now I'm here in the Wind Palace. I need to go there. Oh God, it's so hot. This is the Wind Palace. Ooh, so hot. My skin will be dark. Under renovation, the other side. Whew. Wow, it's a nice plan. Peter, I like this. This plan. I like that. I saw like that in the Philippines. I said, wow, I like banana leaves, banana tree. So nice. That's why I said, but it's so expensive. Like that. Oh, I will mute. mute. Sorry guys. I'm talking. I thought oh my god, I'm mute. I said a free cable car, dancing fountain, fountain, and then MJM, City of Dreams. After this guys, this dancing water at night is so nice. The light, so you can see. OMG, really hot. I was down. Okay, I cannot see, just wait. Twin Palace. I go to from the other side. Hotel. OMG, MJM Hotel. And then the other side. Going to Londoners. Where's my meetup boy? The son of my friend. Actually, I don't know where he is now right now. Ay, init. Lion Lobby. Ay, dito na nga ako sa loob at napakainit. Grabe. Dito tayo sa loob pumasok. Pinutom ako. Grabe. How many percent? Oh my gulay. Hindi nag-charge ang aking power bank. Why? What happened? It's not charging. Wait. I need to get another cord. This cord is not good quality.
那我就不知道。
Oh, init. Saan pumasok? Ito. need to get the. Need to go inside, guys. Guys, wait.
这间是什么？这是三餐。
啥子啊？
三餐。
啥的？
在哪呢你？哎呀，好多好多。 이거 약도.
呢個前面嗰度入賭場，賭場入邊西出口就 OK，近啲啊。
好的，唔該。
真係地氈。
Sabi mo na lang kahit 7, tapos sabi na lang kita ulit dito. Ayaw na.
Mukha kung mas mayaman tong bansa na to kaysa po sa UAE.
Oo, mas di hama. Yung ko pa
Dito po
sila.
lahat ng casino.
Oo.
Pero magkakaroon po ng casino.
Ito ang tinatawag na Little Las Vegas.
Ako, parang Vegas din.
Ayan, nandiyan lahat.